Flash flood watch. I've never got this alert ever.
Weather bulletin. Weather message for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Fayette Ridges, Fayette west of Chestnut Ridge, Greene, Indiana, Washington, Westmoreland Ridges and Westmoreland west of Chestnut Ridge, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Marshall, and Ohio. Flash flood watch in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood watch for portions of western Maryland, east central Ohio, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia, including the following areas in western Maryland: Garrett. In east central Ohio, Belmont, Monroe and Noble. In Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Fayette, Fayette Ridges, Greene, Indiana, Washington, Westmoreland and Westmoreland Ridges. In West Virginia, Brooke, Marion, Marshall, Monongalia, Ohio, Preston, Tucker, and Wetzel. Until 8 p.m. this evening, a slow-moving cold front will bring a period of heavy rain and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Flooding of urban areas, low spots in hilly terrain, and small streams and creeks may overflow their banks. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.